This is what I'm going to try and demonstrate how to do a moody sky such as this, kind of dark. And we'll begin by using ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, that causes a gray. A lot of my demos have been using burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. And down here is let's see, that's cobalt blue. Also, I'm using a spray bottle. I use a spray bottle quite a bit when I do skies. So here we go. Got clean water, got Viva paper for blotting, and let's see, looking at my picture, yeah, we'll start in the upper left-hand corner, drop in some heavy cobalt blue. I'm coming in real heavy. And up here, down there. Okay. Now, we're going to come in with some dark down here. So I'm going to come in with quite dark. First of all, let's let this run a little bit. Yeah, we'll get a little bit of, put a little cloud back in there. I'm just blotting real lightly. There we go. Okay, burnt sienna, ultramarine blue. And let's see. So we'll do the dark down here. And we'll bring it up like so. Get rid of this blue here. How are we doing? We're in the camera. Okay, now we mix the two, the blue into the black or the dark cloud. And we'll bring this cloud off. Okay. Now let's bring some more blue into here. Let's do this pretty dark. Mix the two together. How we doing here? Let's see. Okay, that's looking good. All right, we'll leave this. This will turn into a cloud, hopefully. Let's get that going like so. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, real dark down here, light up here, dark down here. Just for fun, let's make it really, really dark. Kind of liking this coming down like so. We'll leave that. That breaks up the straight line. That's that. And what do we want to do here? Let's see. We'll kind of leave that. That could be a cloud coming up. So we're going to let this dry. Knowing when to walk away. We'll let it dry. All right, everything's dry. Let me show you this is the upper part of the sky. And here's what we're going to do. Let's see, we're going to do this bottom cloud there and maybe get that sunshine. We're going to give that a try. So here we go. Let's see. We're kind of dark up here, so let's and we'll do down here. Okay. This is kind of dark. That's a little too blue. Let's get a little brown in. Make it gray. And we'll bring this up. And let's down here. All right, we gotta protect this white area here. We're gonna drop in a little, I think a little purple maybe. So blotting. And let's bring this up. Got to stay in the camera here. All right. And let's, we'll bring in some dark right down here. And let's bring this off. Okay. Now we're gonna we've got to get some contrast here. Am I in the camera? Yeah. Okay. Let's see, in the picture, really dark up here, so we'll come in while it's still wet. And we'll make this really dark to get some contrast. And we'll do that sun right. We'll do it right there. Okay. Again, contrast, contrast, contrast. This up a little, just a little, like so. Okay, how we doing? How we doing? Let's bring in, this is kind of boring over here. So I know in the picture, I don't have blue down there, as you can see, but I think we need something to go in there. Give it a little definition, a little. All right, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I don't know if I like this down here. So let's see what we can do. Again, contrast, contrast, contrast. So we'll drop in some real dark down here. And run it. We're going to have to quit here pretty soon. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, I'm liking this right in here. That breaks up. And let's that could be a little rain down there. Okay, know when to stop, Kruger. Know when to stop. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I wanted to keep this video under 15 minutes, so we'll wrap it up. We'll do a little purple here, put the sun in. Now, this has to be bone dry. I mixed, what did I do? Mixed a little wild fuchsia with cobalt blue. Makes a really nice purple. So here we go. Just drop it in. I got a little blue spot there. What the heck. You guys get the idea. Practice this. And do we want to do it? Yeah, if we're going to do it, let's do it a little darker. Is that too dark? I don't know. Okay. And put a little purple down here. Bring it in so. Okay, we'll let that dry. Okay, let's wrap this up. We're going to put a kind of the sun in here. I'm using a Fritz scrubber and very little tip. They come in various tips. So let me show you what we can do there. Just plain water. And I've got to have Viva paper to blot. Okay. And I got a little yellow here. Let's see. We'll drop just a little bit in there. All right. Let's call it a day on this. First of all, here's what I tried to let me get rid of this. Here's the picture I tried to emulate, and here's the finished product. So let's get it up here a little bit. I dropped some purple in here, just to give it a little color. And that's a wrap. Everyone have a wonderful day.